Hey guys, it's Dan. Let's talk about this triangle here. So we're given a triangle QPR with the sides 6, 12, and 10, and we're asked to find angle Q. So we're not given any other angles. We're not told that any of the angles are 90 degrees. So it's just a triangle that has sides 6, 12, and 10, and we're finding angle Q. So this is a job for the law of cosines. So the law of cosines. So from this angle, 10 is the opposite side. So the opposite side of the angle that you're trying to find, which we're trying to find angle Q, that opposite side is going to go here. And so that side squared is equal to the other two legs. 6 and 12 are the other two legs. The other two legs squared and added together minus 2 times those other two legs times the cosine of angle Q. So this is the formula for the law of cosines. So since I'm finding this angle, and this side is opposite that angle that I'm trying to find, that's what goes here. So 10 squared equals 6 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 6 times 12 times the cosine of some angle Q. So we're solving for Q. So 10 squared is 100, 6 squared is 36, 12 squared is 144. 2 times 6 times 12 is 144, and it is negative because of that negative sign there, cosine of Q. If you add 36 and 144 together, you get 180, and we're going to move this on the other side. We're going to subtract it so that it's negative 80 equals, and this is still left, negative 144 cosine of Q. So we're trying to get the cosine of Q by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 144 like this. And that way these are going to cancel, and it's going to leave us cosine Q. So these cancel, and it leaves us cosine of Q. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, and it happens to be positive 0.5 repeating. So you're trying to find the angle whose cosine is equal to this. That's a job for the inverse cosine. So using your calculator, you can do second in cosine. That usually is the inverse cosine. So the inverse cosine of 0.5 repeating is going to be what angle Q is. And that ends up being 56 degrees rounded to the nearest degree. So when you do this, you want to hit inverse cosine, and since it's 0.5 repeating, you want to punch in 0.55555, you know, a bunch of fives, like probably 5 of them, 5 or 6. And that'll give you 56.2 degrees, I think, but the book said round it to the nearest degree, so we're going to call it 56 even. So angle Q is 56. So we could find, if we needed to, one of the other angles using the law of sines, and then we could find the third angle using the third angle theorem. And that third angle theorem is just simply that all the angles in a triangle have to sum to be 180. Anyway, so this is a good law of cosines problem. So look it up if you don't know what it is and learn how to use it.